Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I will tell you about how to enable second space in your Poco M8 smartphone. So friends, if you are looking for the another storage, another device or new storage, so if your phone storage is full, how you can create your new phone in this phone. So I will tell you. So watch till end. So friends, you can see this is, let's click on storage in this. So here it is, the storage. You have to tap on here and you can see about 30 GB it is occupied right now. You have to go back, scroll down, click on additional settings. Now here it will show this second space. You have to click on second space, set as designated screen lock for second space, separate and secure your data. You have to click on turn on the second space. Now it is switching. You can see it will create two spaces on one device. Now created successfully. Now this phone data will not be removed, but it is on another space. Now two spaces are created on this one smartphone. So you have to simply click on continue, just tap on this continue button, and now you can see using a password or using a shortcut you can switch between the two spaces. So here it is using a shortcut or using a password. So this is how you can see you can create. So this means when you want to create the space, the second space, if you want to switch between one space, so you can create using the password or using a shortcut. So you have to just simply tap on it and it will switch between the one space. So I am switching the shortcut. Now click on continue, and then you have to set the second space password. Now here it is, you can see, click on set now or skip. I want to skip it. So now the second space is created successfully. So you can see friends, the second space is cleared. There is nothing, no photo, no video, no application, nothing. I will tell you in the settings also. So let's click on settings, about phone. Now click on storage. So friends, you can see it is showing 30 GB, but there is nothing. I will show you. So first let's click on gallery, allow limited access. So you can see no photos there are and nothing applications, no applications are there. So if you want to go back, you have to go to the settings. Now click on additional settings, scroll down, you will see second space. So you can see here are all the second spaces there. So you have to turn off this second space. Here it is. Now skip it. So friends, you can see here it is delete the second space. By deleting it, it will not again recover if you have any data on the second space. You have to click on delete the data. You will not be able to enter second space after you delete it. So you have to click on continue and it's done. You can see select items to move. You can move it. So I am not moving. You can cancel it also. So here it is. You can see click on move. So it is now switching to the second space 1. So this is your default thing. You can see in the gallery it is showing some pictures. Now it is showing. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.